Hello everyone, so today I'm going to unbox Club de Nuit Intense for Men, which I have bought almost a month before, but I didn't had a chance to make the unboxing video for this one. I'm going to unbox it and share with you guys my experience and whatever I know about this perfume. So let's unbox it and see what is mine and smell. Yeah, it has this card inside. So no, there's some information about some of their other articles. Yeah, and then okay, so this is the bottle, a very nice and clean bottle with this tag on it. So yeah, actually this perfume, it's a clone of Creed Aventus. Creed Aventus, you guys might know, it's a very popular perfume, and there are many clones for Creed Aventus available in the market. Some of them which I know is of course this one, Club de Nuit Intense for Men, and then there is one from Afnan, Supremacy. Not Only Intense is the perfume name, Supremacy Not Only Intense by Afnan. There is another one which I know is Mont Blanc Explorer. Okay guys, so let's get a closer look into the bottle. See this one, and the name which they have engraved on the sides. It really gives a nice feeling and a different experience. And this tag and the chain, but I don't really get the idea behind the gemstones on the lid here on this tag, because gemstones, especially these kind of like the white ones, the crystal ones, are more like for females. So why would they put something like this on a masculine perfume? So I don't really get the idea behind this one. And yeah, so this is the bottle. Overall, it's a good solid bottle, but as I said, I don't know why. There are two variations. One is the EDT version and the other one is the EDP version. For this one, for the UD toilet one, people are saying that the opening is really harsh. The opening is not that smooth, which they have made better in the EDP version. But for me, I don't care about the opening notes, because what I know is that opening notes, after the dry down, that's a very short period of time. The opening notes, that experience, the harsh experience, that is only for like a very short time. So that's why I don't care about the opening notes. And I think when it gets dry down, the EDP and the EDT should give the same experience. So let's see. So yeah, and the opening, you feel more like citrus, and yeah, it's more citrusy experience. And the opening, actually I had to stop the video to give it some time to rest and dry down. So after a few minutes, I was able to smell some of the fruitiness, smoky and leather kind of smell appearance on the base notes. And yeah, you guys have seen there was still some drops of it inside, but now I was able to smell some fruitiness from here.